Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download LastPass Password Manager and Import Vault, complete guide step by step clearly. To download LastPass Password Manager, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the official LastPass website at www.lastpass.com. Once the page has loaded, look for the Get LastPass Free or Download button. Click on that button to be redirected to the download page. Select the version that is compatible with your operating system. For Windows users, choose the Windows installer. For Mac users, select the Mac installer option. If you are using a mobile device, you can find LastPass in the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the installer, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, open the LastPass application. You will be prompted to create a LastPass account if you don't have one. Provide the required information and set a master password. Make sure to choose a strong and memorable master password. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. To import your existing password vault, navigate to the LastPass dashboard. Look for the Account Settings option in the menu. Select Advanced Options from the drop-down. Click on Import. Choose the type of password vault you would like to import from. Follow the prompts to upload the file containing your passwords. Once the import is complete, you should see your passwords in the LastPass vault. Review your imported passwords for any duplicates or errors. Make any necessary edits to ensure everything is accurate. Now you are ready to use LastPass to manage your passwords securely. Enjoy a safer online experience with your newly organized vault. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.